What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Guys, the Olympic are going wicked. Olympics wicked. Jamaica match at the place. Amik, what go on? Yeah, guys, we weren't going to vlog this because the Olympic going on and we're trying to enjoy it and all that stuff. But just have to share our some of our thoughts. Show you guys what we're doing during the Olympic Games and all that stuff. Of course, Alicia, Amik woke up at 5 a.m. this morning to watch the 200. Amik, you want more food? Alright, boss, come. Alright. You wake up too early, boss. But not ask if you count, brother.
1,
2. Yeah, guys, what do you guys think about Olympic Games? And guys, please don't pressure the athletes, don't pressure the male athletes. We're just going through a phase, just a revamp and come back again, you know what I mean? So don't pressure the athletes, and a lot of you Jamaicans are very ungrateful and love bash people and forget very easily. You know what I mean? You guys forget very, very, very quickly. Somebody come something when the brain just cancel and reset. You know what I mean? So guys, you guys need to stop being so ungrateful and just be happy. You guys are spoiled. The generation before they spoiled. You're the Nesta Carters, the Michael Frater, the Asafa Powells, Usain Bolt, all of these athletes. Spoiled them. And Ewan Blake, you guys need to remember, Ewan Blake was second 2012 Olympic Games. Forgot that. Ewan are the second fastest man in history. You know what I mean? So, don't bust my chain, boss. Yeah, guys, but the women are doing fantabulous. Watch the 200 this morning and Elena and Shelly look sick. Especially Elaine, boy. I never see a woman jog 21.66 like that. But trust me, 21, eh? 6'1"? No, 6'6"? 6'1"? Oh. Yeah, guys, Shelly and look super easy too. And just sorry that Sherika, was a bit too relaxed. She was supposed to qualify very easily. Wasn't supposed to win her heats. Was just go through because she's just coming off the 100 meter, and I think she's going to also have to run the heats in the relay. So I think they were under instructions to just qualify very easy, but I think she wasn't checking her surrounding to see where she was in the race, and I think that was just a mistake. Boss, get some ice now, so you might leave me alone. All you want. And Alicia eating her breakfast. Belly hurt you. Tell her the other day, guys, that I'll be the one doing all of the vlogging because she mash up.
This weird pain that I get.
Yeah, she'll get some pain, the pregnancy, boom her now. She'll eat some fried dumpling and some
You're not
stuff.
gonna say I'm the one that wakes you up first to watch?
But no, me not say no, because you don't sleep at night time. So I was getting my good sleep, and I feel.
Wake you up.
I feel my foot shake. And I was like, yo, babe, I say, it's time now? She said, yeah, 5 o'clock. Time to go watch the 200 them and all of this stuff. But yeah, guys, we're super proud of the athletes, both male and female athletes,
I couldn't do what you guys do. Always, you guys have my respect. Win, lose, or whatever the situation is. What athletes go through, half of us couldn't even handle in the day. So
yeah, but a lot of people talking and bashing the athletes. Where are you guys? You guys are home sitting down your couches. You can't do nothing.
It's hard work, and sometimes when an athlete doesn't run well, you don't know what's going on behind the scenes. So let's just be kind to each other. But
yeah, show the athlete support, because at the end of the day, guys, hold on, let me turn the camera on me. Yeah, and you guys, cost the athlete them. Where you think I got when the athlete them leave Olympic and go them yard? most of the athletes them a go back to a regular 9 to 5 job. None of them can put food on the athlete them table. The athlete them going right back at them yard. Majority of them don't have a sponsorship to live off of. So a lot of them, remember them have family and all of these things. They can't support them family. Them they are Olympic run out them soul, and people there Jamaica bash the athlete them and all over the place. Guys, the athlete them don't get paid for the Olympics. Them will come home, sit down, go do a 9 to 5 job wherever most of them in the States, then go back to the States, go back to them regular life, them regular job. Like I say, you can pick on one hand how many athletes have the big sponsorship and can just live off of them sponsorship and off of them just go into the diamond leagues and all of that stuff. So stop pressure the athlete them, because you think them go out there for lose? Them don't go out there for lose, them go out there for do them best and win, because this is their living. This is how they make their money. Jamaica no pay athletes for run. You understand? You guys don't pay the athletes to run. Nobody pay the athletes to run. So not stop pressure the athlete them. You know, understand? It is just such a huge accomplishment to be out there on the track. You know, many other countries just want to go out there just with a camera shine on them. You think a little athlete want to go out there just to say, yo, them go Olympic Games. You know, many countries, you know, the athletes, you know, just to say, yo, them have somebody out there on the track. You know how big that is, how huge that is. Just to call yourself an Olympian, that's huge, and Jamaicans take that for granted. You know, it's not about being an Olympian for Jamaicans. It's about winning a gold medal. That's all it is for Jamaicans. You know, and you go out there, you met the team, you train all year, you met the team, go Olympics. Brother, Olympics are the biggest sporting thing out there, you know. The biggest thing you can accomplish, you know, is to make an Olympic team. You understand? You see some people when they run at their trials, like the US trials or wherever, when they make the Olympic team, ball them a ball, because just to have that on their resume is just a huge accomplishment. I've seen Jamaicans go to the Olympic Games, come second, third in the Olympic Games, and Jamaica no remember them, not even them when them leave the games and come home. Jamaica no remember them. I remember 2008, Sherika Williams come third in 400 women, and nobody no remember that. Sherika Jackson been there running, getting medals right through, and is now, since she switched to the 100 meter and finished 1, 2, 3. No, Jamaicans are recognized her. Guys, it's not all about just winning. Yes, winning great and all that stuff, but just to make the Olympic, just to be at the Olympics, it's a huge accomplishment. This is I've been going to the Olympics since 2004. So this is my first time not being at the Olympics. Been to 4 Olympic Games, and let me tell you, the environment and the way how people happy to be at the Olympic Games is just a different story, man. Different story. It hard to explain, because you have to be there to really experience it and know what I'm talking about. You know what I mean? Yeah, just to be among some of the greatest athletes in the world. You have basketball, football, tennis, everything, every sport there. So you're among the greatest athletes in the world. You get to see all of these people, where you grew up watching, you see on TV and all these things. So, guys, Jamaicans, don't take this for granted. Don't take it. A lot of people other countries want to be in the Olympics and can't be in the Olympics, and we are out there in the Olympics and we are doing great. We have such a big name, a big influence in the sport. guys, don't bash the athlete, man. Don't bash the athletes. Look beyond certain things. You understand? Look beyond certain things. Just to make an Olympic team, that alone is a huge, huge accomplishment. When I go to the US, and I'm going through immigration, a lot of times them don't even care about fastest man in the world or fastest this. Them just care say you're an Olympian. You are an Olympian. You know what I mean? And just to have a medal, just top it off. Just make it even a lot better. You understand? So just to be an Olympian is a huge accomplishment. You're going away in the world and just say, yo, I'm an Olympian. And it's a big thing, but Jamaicans don't know that. We don't know that. You know what I mean? And I want to big up Megan Tapper, such a wonderful girl. You can tell from her reaction, genuine reaction, after she got that medal in the 100 hurdles. Guys, trust me, that's a huge, huge accomplishment. Huge accomplishment. So, guys, just give the athletes your love and your support. And my thing is, guys, I've never been a selfish person. You understand? I don't go out and jump into the media and talk about sport and athletics when it affects me. You understand? I like to speak out for the athletes. I like to when the thing is out there affecting the athletes, and a lot of times the athletes come to me and say, yo, Safa, yo, they need help in such and such way, and they just need somebody to speak out for them. You understand? And when you say something, the other athletes not going to say anything. The big athletes, they're not going to say anything unless it affects them. You understand? Only when it affects them, they come out and they will speak. But for the rest of the athletes, the upcoming athletes, the ones that are not making money and all that stuff, when they are complaining, nobody else speak out. Nobody said nothing. You understand? I remember 2015, I came out and I said something about the athletes struggling and all that stuff, and all this glamorous thing on TV you see and all that stuff. Guys, it's just TV. You know what I mean? And it's hard. The athletes, them have it hard. Them have it hard, guys. Hard. You know what I mean? And a lot of athletes that are not in Jamaica, they have it even harder than us here in Jamaica. So I like to speak out for the athletes. And 2015, I say, yo, I don't need anything. You know what I mean? If they want to give me fine, we'll take it. But I don't need anything. The athletes need the help. They need the help. They need the help to prepare themselves. It's very expensive. Sport is very expensive. You know what I mean? So the athletes need the help. And it's very embarrassing to go to Olympic Games and then you're gone work 9 to 5 job and a train. You have to train and you have to work to try make ends meet and to try get your gears to come run and go up on TV for people come bash you and cuss you. Guys, it's not a good look, So I just want to big up all the athletes. Jail I fell in the 400 hurdles, and he was coming on real good, and yeah, I mean, like things like these guys, you train so long. Tajay train for 2 years, 5 years for this, and go out there and he need us mash up. A lot of athletes, you don't know what's going on behind the doors. A lot of athletes are in such great shape, and just before the championship something happen. But them come out and then compete, them not complain, but you guys don't know what's going on, but it's only just cuss. You know what I mean? Just cuss. So it's just sad, and the athletes need the support, guys. Support the athletes. You know, and you know, can't just say, yo, Jamaica track and field, I go down the drain and what happened to this and that. I mean, like I said, Jamaicans spoil, and sometimes you have to accept certain changes. And the change we happen right now is not forever. You don't know what will happen next year. You know, this year the athletes just are not, you know, not at their best. You know, the old athletes retire, you know, and the you see Italy win the win the 100 meter. You know, Italy win the 100 meter. You know, everything does a change up. So guys, you know, just now if you just work with the athletes, you know what I mean, the athlete them not gonna help. Some things I don't want to mention, you know. I don't want to say certain things, but um, it's guys, it's tough out there for the athlete them. You know what I mean? I can't help everybody. Can't help all of the athletes, and it's some. I have my own family. I have everything taken care of on my end. I can't take on other athletes' responsibility, and you know all that stuff. You know what I mean? Like I said, I have my own family. I have my own bills to pay and all that stuff. So if I could really help them, I would. You know what I mean? I've tried, but I can't help them consistently. Like just I can't help them every month. I can't pay bills for athletes every month. I can't do this and that. You know, so and the corporate sponsors, you guys need to help the athletes a lot more. Corporate people need to sponsor the athletes a lot more. You know what I mean? Sponsor them. Give them the sponsor the athletes. You understand? Freeness can pay a bill, and post and tell congratulations can pay a bill. You know, commend Adam Stewart for, you know, being the first to come out and say, yo, you know, he's gonna do something for the athletes. I really commend him for that. You know, the other corporate sponsors, man, you guys need to step up, man. Step up. It's not just about, you know, posting when the game's going on and telling people congratulations for people to see that you're saying congratulations. You have to do a bit more than that, you understand? I mean, it's embarrassing for when we're out there competing and everybody else assume that we're getting everything here in Jamaica because they're getting everything in their country. You understand? You go to their country, you see, you don't only see gold medalists spaced up all over the country. You see all of the athletes, the good athletes. You see all of the athletes that are doing well, piece up all over the country. You know, getting sponsorship, you know, car sponsorship, bank sponsorship, everything, and then they're assuming that you, with the name that you have in your country, you know, all the athletes in all of the athletes in Jamaica getting everything when it's not so. You understand? It's just a selective few or two or three. You know what I mean? And our team is probably about 50, 60 athletes. I don't know how many there now, but about 50, 60 athletes or whatever is there. And out of the 50 and 60, how many of them you guys know? How many of them you guys know up until Olympic Games here when you see them face? Even when you see them face, I still don't know them. You understand? So, this video is really just to give the athletes my support the athletes, and you know, I just want everybody to just, you know, stop pressuring the athletes, man. Just support the athletes. You see them out there. If they don't make the finals, it's okay. It's okay, guys. Them do them best. Them don't go out there if you come last. The athletes them not go out there if you come last, you know. But you have to remember, say, yo, at the world this, at the Olympic this, everybody out there. You know what I mean? Everybody out there. You know, and we wanted the sweep in the 200 meter too, but things happen. You know what I mean? You go out there and you try qualify. She try qualify very easily, and she just wasn't checking. You know, it's just a human error. You know what I mean? Just an error. You're out there. You know, you're running under instruction, and other athletes, you don't know what the other athletes doing. You can't turn around and you don't have a review mirror. So when some of the athletes you run come up, just me catch you off guard. So it's just a human error, and we all make mistakes. You know what I mean? And you're not gonna see everybody, and everybody I go up on the podium. Not everybody going to be on the podium, but like I said, just to be at Olympic Games or even World Championship, even the World Championship, guys. Trust me. You hear your name? World Championships. You know what I mean? A lot of people don't understand until they come around. So when people in a year circle, that's when they start understanding where athletes go through. That's when they really understand. When they come in your circle and see all of the hard work where you have to go through and see where you go through daily, that's when people understand. So, big up all the athletes, big up Jamaica, just big up everybody, and just show the athletes the love and support and, more blessings.